When a global project hits a wall, the instinct is to blame language barriers. However, the real issue often lies not in vocabulary or grammar, but in how managers lead communication across cultures. Understanding these nuances is crucial for effective collaboration. Directness versus diplomacy. What feels like clear, efficient feedback to you may feel like public shaming to someone from a different culture. Managers often assume their communication style is neutral. This oversight can lead to misunderstandings. It's essential to recognize that words can land differently depending on cultural backgrounds. Silence isn't the same as buy-in. Managers sometimes interpret a quiet room as proof of alignment. In reality, team members may be holding back due to hierarchy, uncertainty, or a reluctance to challenge the group. A lack of questions does not guarantee shared understanding. Many employees may remain silent during discussions because of power dynamics, fear of losing face, or uncertainty in expressing themselves, especially in a second language. Additionally, if the manager hasn't fostered a safe environment, team members may feel discouraged from voicing their thoughts. Shared language not equal to shared understanding. Even if everyone is working in English, words like urgent, approved, or later can have different meanings across contexts. Managers who fail to double-check interpretations risk costly misunderstandings. It's vital to ensure that everyone is on the same page regarding terminology. Unspoken rules. Every culture has its own rules about greetings, interruptions, decision-making, and the appropriateness of small talk. If you, as the manager, don't identify these differences and establish a shared framework, you leave room for confusion. The importance of cultural awareness. Cultural awareness is not just beneficial, it is essential. Understanding the unspoken rules of different cultures can help bridge gaps in communication. For instance, some cultures value directness, while others may prioritize harmony and indirect communication. Recognizing these differences can enhance team dynamics. Pressure magnifies gaps. Under pressure from time zones, tight deadlines, or crises, people often revert to their home culture habits. Without proper guidance, these habits can clash, leading to misunderstandings and conflict. What managers can do? To navigate these challenges effectively, managers can take several proactive steps. Set the tone. Encourage clarification as a normal part of communication, not a sign of weakness. Model curiosity. Ask questions like, "What does that mean in your context?" This promotes understanding and openness. Build protocols. Define terms clearly, for example, urgent equals reply within 24 hours, to avoid ambiguity. Invest in awareness, not just language. Training in cultural interaction can yield better results than simply expanding vocabulary. Creating a safe environment. Creating a safe environment where team members feel comfortable expressing their thoughts is crucial. This can be achieved by encouraging open dialogue and actively seeking input from all team members. The role of leadership in multilingual communication. Multilingual communication is not merely about words, it's about how leaders frame interactions. If you manage across borders, your role isn't to fix language gaps. Instead, it's to create an atmosphere where meaning cannot slip through the cracks. In conclusion, effective communication in a global context requires more than just a shared language. It demands an understanding of cultural nuances, an appreciation for different communication styles, and a commitment to fostering an inclusive environment. By taking these steps, managers can enhance collaboration and drive success in their global projects.